That is absolutely delicious. Look at that. Look at that soft crumb on there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a lemon yogurt snack cake. Okay, it's a lemon yogurt snack cake. We're calling it a snack cake. It's a bar cake. It's a tray cake. We're making it in a tray. Now, normally you would make it in a 9x13. I'm using a 9x11. I want to go for a thicker cake, more moist. So the choice is yours, 9x13 or 9x11. If you want to know how to make yogurt, there's a link on the channel. And we made it by Instant Pot, by slow cooker. It's so easy to make, and if you can't make it or don't want to make it, you buy yogurt. In here, plain flour or all-purpose flour, whatever you know it by. Baking powder, so this makes this self-raising flour. In there, some salt. In there, mix up. Just a light little mix round. Just get that fully incorporated in there. In here, our yogurt, Greek yogurt. In there, sugar. In there, eggs. In there, oil. You can see it's very technical, this, making this cake. Everybody can make this. In there, vanilla, lemon zest. Right, we're going to give that a beat and then we're going to chuck some lemon juice in there. On with some power. Give that a mix up. In there, our lemon juice. And we want to be folding in our flour. That's helped us out a little bit. And then fold it in. Just make sure there's no clumps of flour in there. Oh, that's looking good enough. Take our tray. Now, my 9x11 tray I've lined with parchment paper. Do the same if you're using a 9x13 or a 9x11. Make sure you've got your oven on about 175, 180. And then all we do is we dump that in there. And then just give it a little one of those. That looks about even to me. And all we're going to do is bung that in the oven somewhere between 25 and 35 minutes, depending how your oven works. Now we're going to give it such a range like that, but I'm going to be checking this about 25, 28 minutes. It should be cooked. In it goes. Right, I think we've had enough time on there. Let's be having a look. There we go. Beautiful cake. So there's our tray baked cake there, look. What we need to do is just leave that in there 10 minutes in the tray, and then we'll take it out of there and put it on a rack. Let it cool down. Okay, we just need to be bobbing that out of there onto there. In fact, we're going to put it on a different tray. Come on. Do it like that, look. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at the spring there. We'll turn it back. Turn it back, look. Whilst it's cooling, we're just going to prick a few holes in the top. Now don't go right through to the bottom of the cake. Just do that. And then on there, come on, with some of that lemon juice. And that is going to soak in there. Okay, let's grab a board and some parchment paper. And let's get that really soft cake on there. Look at that. Right, we just need to be mixing up some glaze to go over there. In here, icing sugar. In here, lemon juice. Give that a little mix in. So you've got to decide whether you're leaving the edge on or taking the edge off. Now, personally, I'm going to leave the edge on because the inside cakes are not going to have the edge on. So you're going to get the best of both worlds. Anybody that likes a little bit of a nice edge can have that, and anybody that wants no edge can have one from the middle. So I'm going to leave it. We just need to cut it. And I'm going to cut it first before putting the glaze on. And then it should all run in. So we're going to come on there. And we're going to probably come somewhere like that. That looks about right. And then we'll come like this. Somewhere like that. And we're going to do little squares, look. Because it's a tray bake type cake. And we want it as like snack, take out, put in lunch boxes, anything like that. So let's just come in there like that. And let me just show you what it's like. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness there. That is mind-blowing. So now all we're going to do is loosen this up a little bit. Loosen them apart. We're hoping for a little bit of that glaze to run down as we put it on. So, off we go. Now you can glaze up all the top if you so wish, or you can just drizzle it on. And then before that dries, a little bit of our lemon zest. It's a slightly different recipe to the loaf cake, and we're not using butter, we've used oil. But look at that, that is tremendous. There you go, that's our yogurt lemon snack cake, our tray bake. That is absolutely delicious. Look at that. Look at that soft crumb on there. That is amazing. Come on. Okay, we're in on this. Now this is going to be as sticky as heck. It's not really had time to set up. Oh, it has set up a little bit. But I need to just be pulling this apart. And I pull this apart just so you can see how light, how soft and moist that cake is. Look at that, that is tremendous. Come on. Wow, wow, that is superb. All that lemon's permeated through there. That is sensational. That is a fantastic lemon cake. That is ridiculously good. Look how soft that is. Look. What a fantastic sponge. That is superb. Wow. There you go. No excuse. You can't have an excuse not to make a yogurt lemon cake. If you don't have a loaf tin and loaf liners, put it in a tray. Not a problem. A fantastic, moist, delicious cake, citrusy all the way through, delicious lemon flavour, and you've got that little bit of a sweetness glaze over the top. It's fantastic, really is fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Come on, you make this, take it round to your friends. exceptional. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. It's flipping marvellous.